1997 Australian $2 coin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a coin that's often overlooked, one you probably spent this morning, the iconic Australian $2 coin. Specifically, the coin struck in 1997. While this coin might look like just $2 in your hand, if you know what to look for, the 1997 issue can hold a secret value far beyond its face value. We're going to uncover the real rarity of the standard 1997 $2 coin, explore the subtle errors that turn it into serious money. And I'll share the latest auction results to show you exactly what the biggest collectors are paying for this quarter-century-old piece of Aussie history. Stick around, because this $2 coin might be worth hundreds. The Australian $2 coin arrived in circulation in 1988, replacing the paper $2 note due to the note's short lifespan from heavy use. The coin's specifications are quite unique. Composition: aluminium bronze. This distinctive yellow-gold color is a constant, but it's the design that truly defines it. The obverse features the third effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Raphael David MacLeod. The legend reads, Elizabeth II, Australia 1997. The reverse, the enduring image of the coin, designed by it, depicts an Aboriginal elder, Gwoya Jungarai, flanked by the Southern Cross constellation and a sprig of Australian native flora, the grass tree. The 1997 coin holds a special place, minted right in the middle of Queen Elizabeth II's third portrait era, a few years before the shift to the fourth portrait. So, how rare is the standard 1997 $2 coin? On the surface, it's not an ultra-rare key date, but it sits in a very interesting spot in the series. Let's look at the mintage figures released by the Royal Australian Mint for circulation coins. Year: mintage rarity status 19934.9 million. Key at 19 million coins for general circulation. The 1997 coin is more common than true key dates like 1993 or 2000. So, in circulated condition, it's generally worth just its face value of $2 AUD. However, there are two huge reasons why you still need to check your 1997 coin: mint sets and proofs. The Royal Australian Mint produced the 1997 coin in much smaller numbers for uncirculated and proof collector sets. For example, only 71,022 were included in the uncirculated year sets. If you find one that is absolutely pristine, straight out of a set, its value jumps to $20 to $50 AUD or more, depending on the certified grade. The $2 era market. This is where the 1997 coin truly shines. Like many coins from this era, the 1997 Australian $2 coin is known for being struck by worn dies, which often leads to valuable errors. While it doesn't have a single famous error like the 2001 $1 mule, it is a prime candidate for several collectible varieties. The error: due to die deterioration or pressure issues, the coin's planchet sometimes wasn't held securely during striking, causing a visible deformation or bulge near the rim on the Queen's side. The inscription Elizabeth II can appear squashed, or the rim itself looks irregular and uneven, often called a partial collar strike or obverse rim cut. These visible errors drastically increase the coin's value. Depending on the severity and condition, this type of error can push the coin's value to $50 to $250.20. Die cracks and cuts. The error: worn dies develop cracks. When metal flows into these cracks, it creates raised lines or lumps on the finished coin. A cut error is a chunk of metal missing from the edge of the die, which leaves a raised, rounded feature on the coin's surface. Value: a prominent die crack or a substantial cut is extremely desirable. These can range from $30 for minor cracks to $100 plus for large, dramatic cut errors. The error: this is the rarest category. If the coin receives a slight double strike, the text or design elements will look slightly blurred or doubled. If the die slightly rotates during the strike, the Queen's profile won't be perfectly aligned with the elder's profile. Value: if you find a severe error like a significant off-center strike or a noticeable rotation, you have a major find, potentially worth hundreds of dollars. Now for the fun part: what is the 1997 $2 coin selling for right now? As of our latest data, The standard circulated 1997 coin generally sells for its face value or slightly more online, around $2 to $5 to cover postage and handling for general collectors. However, the value dramatically shifts for high grades and errors. Coin type and grade. Recent auctions / listing price details and condition. Standard 1997 $2 $5.00 $8.00 extremely fine to near uncirculated condition. Standard 1997 $2 $14.00 $20.00 certified uncirculated coin, often pulled from a mint set. 1997 $2 obverse rim error $23.80 circulated, very fine coin exhibiting multiple small stamping errors and a closed-to-rim legend. 1997 $2 obverse rim error $900.00 a very pronounced obverse rim error. This price is for an exceptional, large error sold on eBay, demonstrating the high demand for dramatic mistakes. This is a different, much larger NCLT silver coin from 1997, showing the value of a high-grade collector coin from that year. Key takeaway: if you find a 1997 $2 coin in your change that is bright, shiny, and looks brand new, it's a $20 winner. But if you find one that looks messed up, with a bulge on the rim, a line across the queen's head, or the text running too close to the edge, you could be looking at a coin worth over $200 AUD. The Australian $2 coin is an often overlooked area of collecting, but the 1997 issue is a perfect example of how mintage quality control and historical significance can drive value. Don't be fooled by the high mintage of the standard coin. The errors and high grades are the real treasures. So, go check those pockets, empty that piggy bank, and let me know in the comments below, have you found a 1997 $2 coin? And does it have any errors?